Sonny Onyame.
It is a pity for you.
You dey use your function to play.
My husband is back. My husband is back. Why you open the back now? Come. Come, Jare. Get up. Come hide. No. That side look good. Come. You go check. I guess it's where you won't follow from there now. My husband is there. You this boy, you know they get sense.
Jesus.
You
This is your husband dey talk about this kind
you
of
go come hide now. Don't put it for come.
What do you mean of this?
The Lord has done it. The Lord has done it all. I said the Lord has done it all.
V14.
For crying out loud, what are you doing inside this place since?
Sorry.
I've been knocking since. What is the matter? What's happening inside this house? Please getting. Look, I've been there for like 30 minutes since. I just misplaced my office key. I've been looking for it since. And you know that this French key always open my office door. So please help me get the French key so that I can. Oh, is that not what is in your hand? It's like our spirits is just working together. Thank you very much. Let me just get doing it.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this? This is playing.
You hear me? The husband don't go.
You dey hear me?
I dey hear you.
You dey hear me? My husband don carry key go.
Jesus!
Don carry key go work o.
Open this thing.
No, Victoria, open this door, please. Victoria, please open abeg.
Victoria,